We are going to be buying Instagram and TikTok followers today, and I'm going to be showing you guys proof and showing you in the first minute here what the followers actually look like and how easy it is to do this. I'm also going to be talking about how to not get scammed. We're going to be talking about the pros and cons of buying followers like this. We're going to be talking about real followers versus fake followers, and then I'm going to be telling you my suggested strategy for how to actually grow on Instagram and TikTok at the end. Okay, I'm going to be showing you guys really quickly how to buy followers for an account like this. You need to get the URL or the link of the account if you're going to be buying followers. If you're buying engagement, it's not the account link, it's the post link. We can just copy the link like that. I'm going to be using, just right off the bat here, I'm going to be using igmorefollowers.com because I know it and trust it. I'm going to be testing different sites throughout this video, so stick around for me testing those different sites. And as you can see, you can get real looking active followers and then just normal Instagram followers. And just for right now, I'm going to be buying these because I do know that they come in fast. We put in the link, we delete everything from that question mark over. Let's just buy 100 so I can show you. It's only 75 cents for 100. If I wanted to buy 1,000, it would have been $7.50. Here's all the pricing right here per 1,000 for the Instagram followers and then the TikTok followers. And let's see, the 1,011, has he gotten any new ones? He has not gotten any new ones. Let's check on the order, make sure it actually went through. We're checking on it right here. It says pending and remaining. So now I'm just gonna sit here and refresh this. Okay, we already got some new ones in. Okay, so I hopped over to my phone so we can actually see it. Oh my gosh, look at them come in. That's crazy. Where do I actually see the, yeah, here we go. So yeah, these just started coming in. Oh my gosh. So these ones were old, these 4-day, 2-day, so 1 minute ago. So in a minute, we've already gotten that many followers, about 80 followers, and they keep coming in. Let's go ahead and look at the quality of these. These were the medium quality. These ones look like absolute dog doo-doo. These don't look good at all. I swear these used to be better quality, but yeah, as you can tell, these aren't real followers. They're fake followers. The medium quality are built in a way so that they have like profile pictures and names and followers and content so that they don't get deleted by Instagram purges. I only bought 100, so they all should be in right now. And they have these medium quality, they have medium quality here, then they have higher quality and then real looking. Okay, so in the past, I've sent real looking followers to this account right here. This is what the real looking active followers look like. I sent this like months ago and these people still post stories. They still probably post photos and you cannot tell that they are real or fake. When was this photo posted? Okay, February. So yeah, that was a while ago actually. Wait, I think it was 2024. This one's still posting, that's May. So I mean, that's pretty impressive, right? Like you can't really tell. And then on the TikTok side of things, these are real and active followers that I've sent to TikTok. Some of them don't look good, some of them do, so that's just kind of what happens here. So yeah, you can kind of get an idea of what you're looking at when you do this. So as I said before, this is a site that I know and I've been using for the last 2 years now. I know the owner personally and they made me an admin on the back end. So if you guys have any issues at all, or you're scared that you got scammed or something like that, you can leave a comment down below and I can beat up the owner for you. I have his personal line, so I can get in contact with him. But we should look at their reviews. So this is IG More Followers. They have 4.1 on Trustpilot. As you can see, their most recent reviews are good, but we can come down here and we can actually look at these reviews. They do have some negative ones. They all have to do with payment because they have to have really strict payment rules because they've had a lot of people use stolen credit cards on their site before. So as you can see, here's the owner actually replying to this review. But yeah, most of these reviews are good, so that's cool. I think that we should look at some of their competitors and test some of their competitors today. I've heard of Hype Dudes, I've heard of Buzzoid, Social Booth. I've never heard of Social Booth, Super Viral. And then, so I want to try Trissy. I've heard of that one before too. So we can go ahead and try Hype Dudes. Okay, so that's good. They do have people replying and they do say, you know, talk to the support. So that's good to see. Interesting. I say we try them and we see what happens. And then maybe we can try some from doing this. Let's search this up, see what comes up. And this is Hype Dudes right here. I don't know what this one is. So we're gonna try Hype Dudes. I wanna try Trucy because I've heard about them. and then we can try whatever site this guy is talking about or this guy uses. My real followers. Okay. Maybe we should also look at my real followers here and see what kind of reviews they have. This just looks horrible. My real followers has 0 reviews. That's crazy. That is crazy. So let's buy followers. Let me make sure these followers stopped coming in. Yeah, they're like 6 minutes old now. Standard hype, premium hype, fast delivery. I want fast delivery. Oh, I have to buy 1,000. 13 doll hairs. Flag for review. I should make sure that's off in my settings because I actually don't know. Okay, I made sure my flag for review was off. And then I should probably copy this so I don't accidentally mess it up. So I'm gonna copy it from here, put it in there. I'm gonna go ahead and go through with this and I'll let you know when it goes through. Okay, it went through, so I can go to my orders and see it now. Let me sign in with my email. Already, it's not letting me even sign in to check on my order. They haven't sent me an email yet. Still waiting on the email. Yeah, I double checked my junk mail and it's not there. So let me at least check the Instagram account and see if any have started coming in. They did come in. Okay, check this out. They did come in. So how do I see them? Right, like this. Dang, yeah, these look like the high quality followers from the other site. They came in fast too. Oh no, the usernames look kind of like bad, but whatever, that's fine. Oh, that's so funny. They lied about their Trustpilot. Their Trustpilot literally has 3.6 and they say it has 4.8. That's crazy. I'm trying to see if they try and claim that these are real followers or not. No, they're not saying real users and real people. Okay, yeah, that's just false. That is just false. These are not real people, dude. There's no way. These, oh gosh. Yeah, so like, I don't like these companies that claim that they're real. I mean, even if they were claiming they're fake, look at these usernames, dude. Like, you just know they're fake. I don't know. I'm probably being too critical because it's not my favorite site. Also, I still haven't gotten the email, so I can't get into my account here. Yeah, I have no way of contacting them besides this. Okay, I'm just gonna send this and see if they actually get back to me or not. Yeah, I never got an email from them, so I'm gonna send them this and see if they ever get back to me. I'm actually curious. Twisty's another one. Is that how you say it? I don't know. But they're also just making claims that aren't true because I'm pretty sure they had like a super low ratings. Authentic followers and likes. You know, they say that, so I think they say that because they can advertise on Google and YouTube and stuff. I just need 100. So yeah, sign me up. Me a hundo. Okay, so it just went through. I paid €1.50, which I'm probably gonna have to pay fees on the using USD, and I bought 100. So make sure to set the public. Yeah, I did. I'm allowing. The other site said to allow don't flag for review when Instagram thinks they're fake followers and they're claiming they're real. So this one actually, I think, just thinks that they're selling real followers. So let's see if we've gotten any of these ones yet. I do not think so. I have not gotten any of those yet. But wow. These followers look like garbage. I still want to see if they're gonna respond to me and what their customer service is like. So I'm curious about that. Cool. So I sent that through. Let me check the followers. No new followers yet. So yeah. So how can you avoid getting scammed? Well, I mean, I would test with a little bit of money and make sure that they're using a payment processor that's trusted. They did seem to use good payment processors, all 3 of them that we did. So that's good. Also, if you're wanting real followers, you cannot use a service like this. There's no way you can get real followers at the push of a button. But if you do want some followers, I have an Instagram growth agency, or you can use any real Instagram growth agency as long as they're doing the real work and not just saying that and then sending you fake followers. But I have an Instagram growth agency where we get real and targeted followers. Here's some info on that, some past results and some nice words from some people. Past results. That's my higher tier service. This is my lower tier service, like 400 a month, 1,000 a month, 300 a month, 400 a month, 2,400 a month. So if you're interested in that, my email is down below, or you can find some other service if you'd rather do another service besides mine. But yeah, if you're gonna buy followers from a site like one of these, just know that they're gonna be fake followers and not real followers. And what's the difference? So a lot of these followers can look real, especially like these ones. You can't really tell that they're fake, right? Also, these are like the best looking followers, I think, in my opinion. But I'm also biased because I've been working with this site for so long, so keep that in mind. But these are obviously, they're not real followers, so they're not going to engage with your content, right? None of the followers that I got are going to be liking the post that I posted. Yeah, I do have some likes, but maybe it's because I posted a video about the account. So real followers are going to be people who engage, people who can buy your products and services, People are going to help you with your actual goals in life. And on Instagram, yeah, people who can become your super fans if you're a musician or an actor or performer, whatever. And then people who can buy stuff if you're like a business. So I don't typically recommend you buy followers from a site like this, especially if you're trying to get real growth, you know, grow your business or get in front of people with your valuable content. Like if you want to go through your content and then maybe work with a growth agency. But the people that I do recommend doing this, now this is the actual strategy that I suggest for getting followers on Instagram and TikTok, is to, when you're first getting off the ground, you can get some of these followers, these fake followers, and likes and engagement, like, because you can get comments and story views and all that stuff. So when you're first getting off the ground, sure, go ahead, boost your appearance. And then you need to make sure that you're making actual valuable content, or you have a product or a service that people are actually going to want, and then that's going to take you to the next level. So it's really all going to be about your content and like whatever product you're selling, whatever value you're giving to people. You can also work with a growth agency at that point to help get you in front of more people so that your content is seen by more real and interested people. So yeah, I still haven't gotten the ones from Trucy. I still can't log in. I still never got the email from the other site we used. I forget the name of it, Hype Dudes. So I can't log into my account to check on the order. But yeah, you guys saw the quality of the different ones. So hope you enjoyed this one. I had a lot of fun. I hope you leave a like. I hope you are subscribed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.